Hey everybody, it's Ryan. If you want to see something cool, check this out. So this is a cooler for your 12-ounce can. It is strategically made for cans that are of the 12-ounce size. Fits like a glove, as they say. Literally, it's, I mean, almost airtight to get it in there. I don't know if these come in a variety of different colors, but very durable. The inside is it's like an insulated stainless steel. Fits the can perfectly. Now, if you are enjoying your beverage of choice here, you can either leave it in this, and drink it like that. That's cool. Or if it's open, you can put the lid on. So you can screw the lid on, so you're locked in there, and then you can open this up and keep it in there. And it doesn't spin. Once you put that lid on there, it doesn't spin. So you can strategically line it up with the drink, and it will just come straight from the can here into you know what. And then when you're drinking, if you're traveling, you're like, hey, I don't feel like you can't close the can. You can't close the can, but with this, you can. You just lock that down, and that drink is not going anywhere. Also has a little hang tag right here, so you can kind of hang it, make sure it doesn't get missing. Very durable. Kind of has like a slight grip to it, so it's not gonna like slip out of your hands. And the drink inside's cold, but the outside doesn't feel cold. So especially if you're drinking something and it's like super super cold, you don't have that sensation. So back and forth. Also, if you're out in a hot environment, you're trying to keep your can nice and chillé, but you want to close it off when you're not, especially if there's like you're drinking something that's like maybe it's going to attract bugs or whatever it is, or you're out, somewhere and you're afraid you're going to get knocked over, kids around, whatever it is. You're good. If it's in your car and you don't want to spill a can in your car, you are good to go. Another thing that's cool about this is that you can take this part off and you can put bottles in here. Now, this is not a drink bottle, but from a demonstration purposes, you can put, and it will strategically fit a 12-ounce glass bottle in here nice and neat, keeping it chillé. Now, also, the way the inside of this is set up, I don't have a skinny 12-ounce can, but you can see that inner lip right there. It allows a skinny 12-ounce can to fit strategically in there, and it fits just like a regular size can. So you have a couple different options: regular size can, bottle, skinny can. And if you just wanted to unscrew this, fill up your favorite beverage without a can in it, because you have the screw top, kind of like a thermos, it can also be used like that. Full disclosure, this company sent this to me, said, Ryan, I don't think you're ready for this. Can you give us an honest review, a little tutorial, a little overview about our cooler that holds a 12-ounce can? Hopefully, any and all your questions got answered, and we'll talk to you soon.